Yeah, check it. DrEx here. They got me locked up at the RNS. Fucking, I don't know what the fuck's going on with me, but my fucking foot has swollen. I mean, it doesn't look good. It doesn't look bad now, but it's fucking huge compared to that foot there. So I've got these things to put on me. It's like from the Matrix. Let's see if I rip them off. Ah, Neo! Get Matrix style. Oh, can't reach. Yeah. I'll just put a few down here. Oh fuck. I nearly pulled out my catheter. Fuck. Hey, guess what? Matrix goes balls up.